Hello, good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Please, can you introduce yourself?
Thank you very much. My name is Kelvin Chibuzor. I am from Delta State. I'm a serving corper, serving in Abia State, precisely in the Redeemed Christian Corpers Fellowship Lodge, Umaya North. I studied dental therapy as a dentist by the precious grace of God, and in the family house, I'm the prayer secretary and the evangelism secretary. By the grace of God, we are all serving corpers, serving in Umaya, Abia State.
Thank you very much, sir. Sir, you participated in CEO Enterprise EP soap making. What can you say about it?
Wow, yes, I did. At first, I was like, how is this thing being done? But I want to tell you that I was there from the beginning of the process to the end. I want to say that it was really lovely. It was a perfect one, and I thank God that it was successful.
Okay, thank you very much, sir. Sir, probably what have you learned today? What can you say you learned?
Wow, I learned a lot. First and foremost, I learned the materials being used. We have the Tezapo, we have the naturally, we have the sodium tetra polysulfate, we have other materials, acid, and even the color, the perfumes, strawberry perfumes, and the materials. So, and I learned also the process of mixing them step by step, the time taken for it to be properly mixed together, and the turning process. I want to tell you that I participated in the turning process, and I saw the making of the soap, and the special grace of God I did.
Thank you very much, sir. What are your observations? How is the thickness of the soap? What do you observe, sir?
I must tell you, categorically, like I told you before, I participated in the turn at a point in time. My hand could not turn it again. At first, it was easier for me, but when we continued, I discovered that it was so thick that it was not one person job. We had to start, So, I want to say that it was very thick, like so thick that you can even want to use it. Okay. I wish you were there to see what I'm saying.
Thank you very much, sir. What recommendation can you give to this company named CEO Enterprise? What can you say?
First and foremost, I want to appreciate the CEO organization. With what I see is a young organization coming up, and they are really putting their best. I want to quickly talk to everybody that is listening to me, and if you please contact this set of people. One thing I enjoy about them is that they are godly. They are people who knows God, who values God, who put God in everything they do. And one thing I told the organization too, that I prefer this than what they are doing for me than me not knowing what I'm buying. So you can contact them, you can reach them. I recommend them to any organization, any industries, any hospitals, any of the restaurants, or any of the companies that needs this product. They are not only into this soap making, they have other things like Isa, like cake making. They are into so many things, perfume and others. I want to really encourage people, anybody that's listening to me or my ears, I should please contact these people to get a portable and a perfect soap and other quality equipment, materials for house use. And I believe that when you do, you will not regret it.
Okay. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you very much, sir.
What are your recommendations as a prayer and evangelism secretary from this Redeemed Christian Corpers Lodge? What are your recommendations to CEO Enterprise?
By the grace of God, the office of Corper also has taken me to know a little part of the kitchen in the family house. And I must tell you, the money we spend is, washing our dishes, because of the number of people in the house is really, in fact, I'm so happy we have this. I want to recommend this to RCCF in Umaya. We have other branches in Aba and Sama and other places, and even in the whole part of the country. I want to recommend the CEO to them. that they should please contact them and get their soap making done instead of buying little soap that will get finish on time. You can contact these people so that you can make a soap. I want to tell you that what we just made now is almost 25-liter soap if you want to look at the liters or quantify it in liters, and that is a very huge amount for a smaller price. So I believe that if RCCL in every part of the country, even precisely in Abia, still contact these people, they will not spend more, they will spend less in soap making that will be used in the kitchen.
Thank you very much, Mr. Kelvin.
Thank you, sir.
The Bible Coordinator and Evangelism Secretary of RCCF Lodge. You are highly welcome. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
See you next time, sir.
See you.
Hello, good evening, viewers. This is CEO Enterprise Group of Companies. We are in RCCF, Redeemed Christian Corpers Lodge, for our usual activity, but this one precisely was liquid soap making. We are done and dusted. But if you want to have a test of our products, contact us on 081 0233 9852. Thank you. God bless and remember.